Do you want to speak fluent English, but you don't have anyone to practice with? Maybe you live alone, or your friends only speak your native language. Well, I have good news. You don't need a plane ticket to America or England. You just need the right habits. Today, I am going to share 12 powerful ways to practice speaking English at home alone. Hello everyone. Welcome back to English Made Easy with Lilian. I am your host, Lilian.
And I am Sunny. Hello everyone. Lilian, that was a very strong introduction.
Thank you, Sunny. I wanted to get straight to the point, because I know you have been feeling a little sad lately.
Yes, it is true. I told you yesterday. I feel lonely in my English learning. I want to speak, but I have nobody to talk to. I talk to my cat, but he never answers me.
For Sunny. Well, by the end of this episode, you will have plenty of ways to practice, even if your cat stays silent.
I am ready. I have my notebook. I have my coffee. What is the first method?
Method number 1 is the mirror technique.
Ah, the mirror. I look in the mirror every morning to fix my hair.
Exactly. But now, I want you to use that time to fix your English. Stand in front of the mirror. Look at your eyes. Look at your mouth. And speak out loud.
But what should I talk about?
Talk about your plan for the day. For example, look in the mirror and say, "Today, I am going to make coffee. Then I will take the bus to work. I hope the bus is not late."
Okay, I can try that. Does it help with pronunciation?
Yes, it helps a lot. When you watch your mouth, you can see if your lips are moving correctly. For example, when you make the TH sound, like think or thank you, you should see your tongue.
Let me try. Thank you. Think. Yes, I can see my tongue in the reflection.
Perfect. It also builds confidence. Eye contact is difficult for many students. If you can look yourself in the eye and speak, you can look anyone in the eye.
That is a very good point. I am often shy.
Don't be shy, Sunny. You are doing great. Now, are you ready for method number 2? Method number 2 is read out loud.
Read out loud. Usually, when I read a book, I am silent.
Most people are. But if you read silently, you are only practicing reading. If you read out loud, you are practicing speaking, listening, and reading all at the same time.
That makes sense. It connects the text to the sound.
Exactly. But Sunny, you have to be careful. Do not read for 1 hour out loud. You will get tired.
Yes, my throat would hurt.
Just do it for 5 minutes. Find a blog post or a page from a book. Read it slowly and clearly.
Can I read the subtitles of a movie?
That is a brilliant idea. Yes. Turn on the English subtitles, mute the volume, and try to read the lines as the actors say them.
Oh, that sounds like a fun game. I will try that tonight with my favorite show.
Speaking of actors, that brings us to method number 3, imitate an actor.
Imitate? You mean copy them?
Yes. This is acting class. Find an actor who has a voice you like. Maybe they have a British accent or an American accent.
I really like the actor who plays James Bond. He has a very cool voice. The name is Bond. James Bond.
Wow, Sunny. That was actually very good.
Really? Thank you.
Yes. When you pretend to be someone else, you stop worrying about making mistakes. You can wear a mask. It helps you relax and speak more naturally.
So I should try to copy their emotion too?
Yes. If the actor is angry, you speak angrily. If they're happy, you speak happily. It helps with intonation.
I see. Intonation is the music of the language, right?
Exactly. English is not a robot language. It goes up and down. Acting helps you feel that rhythm.
I love this tip. I am going to be James Bond all weekend.
Be careful. 007. Now let's move to method number 4, the shadowing technique.
Shadowing. I have heard of this, but I don't really know how to do it.
It is very powerful. Imagine you are a shadow walking behind someone. You move exactly when they move.
Okay.
In speaking, you listen to a native speaker audio, and you repeat what they say, almost at the same time, just a split second later.
Do I pause the audio?
No, that is the hard part. You let the audio play. You listen and speak simultaneously.
That sounds very difficult, Lilian.
It is difficult at first, but it forces your brain to speak at a natural speed. Shall we try a little example?
Okay. I am nervous, but let's try.
I will say a sentence slowly. You try to say it just after me. Ready? I really enjoy learning English every day.
I really enjoy learning English every day.
Good. Now try to do it faster while I am speaking. I really enjoy learning English every day.
I really enjoy learning English every day.
You see? It pushes you to be faster.
Yes, I had to run to catch up with you.
Keep practicing that. Start with slow podcasts and then move to faster ones.
Okay, I will practice shadowing. What is method number 5?
Method number 5 is narrate your life.
Narrate my life? Like a documentary?
Yes, David Attenborough style. Describe what you are doing while you are doing it.
Can you give me an example?
Sure. Imagine you are cooking dinner. You are alone in the kitchen. Say out loud, "Now I am chopping the onions. The onions are making me cry. Now I am opening the olive oil. I am pouring it into the pan."
Ah, I see. So I am just describing my actions.
Yes. It helps you connect English verbs to real actions. If you are washing your hands, say, "I am washing my hands."
What if I don't know the word for something? For example, the tool I use to flip the eggs?
That is the best part. If you don't know the word, you will realize it immediately. Then you can stop and check Google Translate.
Ah, it is a spatula.
Correct. It is a spatula. See? You just learned a new word because you tried to narrate your cooking.
That is very useful. I will do this while I clean my house. I am sweeping the floor. I am washing the dishes.
Perfect. Now, method number 6. Sing in English.
Oh, Lilian. We talked about this. My singing voice is not good.
Sunny, it doesn't matter. You are home alone. The neighbors might complain, but your English will improve.
Why does singing help?
Songs use connected speech. In English, we link words together. We don't say put it on. We say put it on.
Put it on. It sounds like one word.
Exactly. Songs naturally do this to fit the rhythm. If you learn the lyrics of a song, you are learning connected speech.
Do you have a recommendation for a good song to learn?
Yellow Submarine by the Beatles is great. Or Lemon Tree. They speak very clearly.
Okay, I will try that. Method number 7.
Method number 7 is record yourself.
Oh no, I hate listening to my own voice. It sounds so high and squeaky.
Everyone hates their own voice, Sunny. Even me. But the camera and the microphone do not lie.
So what should I record?
Use the voice recorder on your phone. Record yourself answering a simple question. Like, what did you do last weekend? Talk for 1 minute.
And then?
Then, listen to it. Listen carefully. Did you forget the past tense? Did you say, I go to the park instead of I went to the park?
Ah, self-correction.
Yes. You are your own best teacher. You will hear mistakes on the recording that you didn't hear when you were speaking.
Okay, I will try to be brave. I will record a diary entry every Friday.
That is a fantastic habit. Consistency is key. Now, method number 8, tongue twisters.
Tongue twisters. These are fun. They are like gym exercise for my mouth.
Yes, English uses different muscles than your native language. Tongue twisters help you warm up those muscles.
Do you have a difficult one for me today?
Let's try the P sound. Listen to me. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers.
Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled papers.
Close. Peppers. Like the vegetable. Try it again. Slowly.
Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers.
Much better. Now, try to do it fast.
Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers.
Woo. Good job, Sunny.
My lips are tired now.
That means it is working. Do this for 2 minutes before you start your English practice. It warms up your face.
Okay, what is method number 9?
Method number 9 is use voice typing or dictation.
Voice typing, like Siri or Google Assistant.
Yes. Open a Google Doc or a note on your phone. Press the microphone button. Then, try to write a paragraph using only your voice.
This is a test for my pronunciation, right?
Exactly. If you say a word and the computer writes the wrong word, well, you know you have a pronunciation problem.
Oh my goodness, that is strict.
It is. But the computer is very honest. If your pronunciation is clear, the text will be perfect. It is a great way to test yourself without a teacher.
I will try that. I will write an email to my boss using voice typing.
Maybe check the text before you send it, Sunny. Just in case.
Good advice.
Method number 10. Talk to the TV.
Talk to the TV, but the TV cannot hear me.
It doesn't matter. When you are watching a show, treat it like a conversation. If a character says, "Hello, how are you?" you should reply, "I am fine, thanks."
So I interact with the characters?
Yes. If the character asks, "Where is the money?" you shout, "It is under the bed."
This sounds like fun. It makes watching TV more active.
Yes. Passive listening is good, but active listening is better. It keeps your brain awake.
I will try this with the news. When the news anchor says, "Good evening," I will say, "Good evening to you too, sir."
Such a polite gentleman you are, Sunny. Now, method number 11. Change your inner monologue.
Inner monologue? You mean the voice inside my head?
Yes. We all talk to ourselves inside our heads. I am hungry. I am tired. This bus is slow. Usually, you do this in your native language.
Yes, always.
Try to switch that voice to English.
Think in English? That is very hard.
It is hard, but start small. When you look at the sky, think, "The sky is blue." Don't translate it. Just think the English words directly.
The sky is blue. That dog is cute. I need coffee.
Yes. If you can think in English, speaking becomes much easier because you don't have to translate in your head before you speak.
I will try. Maybe I can set a timer? Think in English for 5 minutes?
That is a great strategy. 5 minutes a day is better than nothing. And finally, method number 12. Send voice notes.
But I am alone.
You are alone in your room, but you have a phone. Do you have any friends who are also learning English?
Yes, I have a cousin in Italy who is learning.
Perfect. Don't text him. Send him a voice message on WhatsApp. Say, "Hey, how was your day?"
Voice messages are less scary than a phone call.
Exactly. You can record it, listen to it, and if it is bad, delete it and record it again. It gives you control.
I will message my cousin today.
Wonderful. So Sunny, those are 12 ways. Do you feel less lonely now?
Yes, I feel very empowered. I have the mirror, the TV, the voice recorder, and my inner voice. I have a lot of people to talk to.
That is the spirit. Let's quickly recap the list for our listeners.
Okay. 1. The mirror technique. 2. Read out loud. 3. Imitate an actor. 4. Shadowing. 5. Narrate your life. 6. Sing in English. 7. Record yourself. 8. Tongue twisters. 9. Voice typing. 10. Talk to the TV. 11. Think in English. 12. Send voice notes.
You have a great memory, Sunny.
Thank you, Lilian. And thank you for the tips. I am going to start right now. I am going to narrate my walk to the kitchen. I am standing up. I am walking to the door.
I am saying goodbye to the podcast.
Haha. Yes. Goodbye, everyone.
Thank you for listening to English Made Easy. Keep practicing, don't be shy, and remember, you can learn English anywhere, even alone. See you next time.